Good morning, children, and welcome to the class. Uh, we are now going to talk about should wizard hit mommy through a PowerPoint presentation. So, through the PPT, actually, I'm going to discuss with you the plot of the story, how it begins and where it ends. Because the other aspects I've already discussed with you, in which I talked about the themes of the story as well as the appropriateness of the title. So now understand the plot, because the plot is very important for attempting short answer questions. Okay, so this story is written by John Ware Updike. He is an American author. He wrote novels, he wrote poetry, he wrote short story. He was born on 18 March 1932, okay, in the USA, and he died on 27 January 2009. So he is a modern story writer, and one of the important features of the modern story writers is that they mostly deal with the psychological aspects of the characters rather than the physicality of the characters. That is the hallmark of modern century writing. So in this story also you will look at the psychological part of the characters, various characters. So the two most important characters in the story are Jack and Joe. Jack is father and Joe is daughter. So the story begins when Jack is telling stories to his 4-year-old daughter Joe to put her to sleep on Saturday evenings. So this is bedtime story, and father has taken the responsibility to narrate the story to the daughter. So this happens frequently, nearly on a daily basis, and father has to do this duty, important duty for his little daughter. So all these stories are made up by him. This started 2 years ago. So for 2 years this story session is going on. Even a story is a variation of the same tale, and it starts with the same Roger and imaginary animal. So the main character of the story is Roger, and only his surname keeps changing. So in this story is going to talk about Roger Skunk's story. A skunk, you all know, is a little animal and has a unique smell, that is in fact a bad smell, and it keeps other animals away from skunks. So it is a natural gift which is for the protection of the animal life. So father is today going to tell the story of Roger Skunk. Roger would always go to the wise owl to solve his problems. In every story, Roger would have a problem, and to solve the problem, he would go to the wise owl. The owl would direct him to the wizard who would do magic and solve his problems, but in turn demand money for the work he did for Roger. And Roger would always be short of money and would go to a well as directed by the wizard and will get the money from there and would pay him off and will return back his home happily because his problem is solved. So he would be happy to solve his problems and would play with his friends happily. His father would return on the train and the family would have a delicious dinner. This is what would happen in every story that Father Jack would tell to his daughter Joe. That day, now here we come to this story, the present story. That day, Joe wants it to be a Roger Skunk's story, who smells very bad, and that is why no other animal wants to play with him. This will tease him, saying, stinky skunk, sorry. Roger would cry. At this point, Joe starts feeling connected with the character and she also starts crying. Joe insists on sending Roger Skunk to the owl. This reaction of Joe surprises father and he realizes the growing changes in the child. Finally, the owl directs Roger Skunk to the wizard and he gets the smell of roses. This is what happens in this story. So now, what is the problem with Roger Skunk? He has a bad smell. And what is the consequence of this bad smell? He loses all his friends. Nobody likes to play with him. So Roger Skunk wants his bad smell to change into a good smell. So for that he goes to the forest. He meets the wise owl. Wise owl sends him to the wizard. Wizard charges money and changes his smell, and he gets a smell of roses, and that makes him very happy. He returns back, and all his friends who ran away from him now play with him because his smell is now good. This is what happens in the story in the initial part. So a skunk is very happy, runs into the forest, wood. All the animals gather around a skunk and they all play games. When a skunk reaches home, his mother is annoyed and does not like that smell. She takes him back to the wizard and hits him on the head and orders him to restore skunk's smell, earlier smell. Now here the problem occurs in the story. Till the time he was playing with his friends, Roger Skunk was very happy. But when he reaches home, this change is noticed by mother, and this makes mother very unhappy, annoyed, because she does not like that smell. It is the smell away from the family smell. So it may put the child's life into danger. So she does not like it. She immediately takes him to the wizard, and here she hits wizard and asks him to change the smell. So the smell of Roger Skunk is changed back to the natural smell that was bad smell. Joe does not like this. What she does not like? She does not like the interference of mother into the happy life of Roger. This is where she disagrees with her father. So she does not like this. She is angry at the behavior of Roger's mother. She wants the wizard to hit Roger's mummy. But father disagrees and defends Skunk's mother, saying mothers are always right. But Joe is adamant and angry. Joe argues with her father, but father exerts his authority as the storyteller and does not change it. So finally, Roger Skunk comes back home with his mommy, and gradually other animals also get used to his smell and start playing with him. So this slide is actually giving us a deeper message about the life. Now, Joe did not like this change, but father is trying to teach a lesson that one, we should learn to accept the natural gift. The way the God has made us, we should learn to accept and should learn to like ourselves, because it is the nature that makes us. We cannot interfere, we cannot decide the change. Number two, if we learn to accept the reality, if we learn to respect ourselves, others will also know our point of view, and they will also respect us, they will also like us. So this is what father tries to teach the daughter. The third important thing father tries to teach about the parent's role in the life of a child. He wants to tell her that parents' decisions are always for the well-being of children. So parents are right what they decide for their children. So in case of Roger Skunk's mother also, he tries to say that mother was right and whatever she did was for the betterment of Roger Skunk. But little Joe, being a small child, she does not understand this perspective of life and she does not feel happy. So she remains adamant and angry because she is associating herself with Roger Skunk. Roger Skunk is unhappy, so Joe is also feeling unhappy. That is the point of difference between the two. But finally, everything is sorted out in the story, although Joe does not feel satisfied. Whereas in the story, the other animals understand and they become friend of Roger Skunk. So Joe disagrees that this can happen and refuses to sleep. She wants another story in which mommy is hit. But Jack refuses and confronts Joe and threatens and orders her to sleep. So he is exhausted. He could not satisfy Joe, and that made him little worried also at his own failure. But he tries to control Joe with threaten, with warning, with order, and he asks her to sleep, not to argue further. Now he moves out from the room, and here he is in a dilemma. He is in two minds because he knows that his pregnant wife is working downstairs all alone and he must help her. He feels trapped and uneasy, caught in a difficult situation. So he does not know what to do. He does not understand what is right, what is wrong. So the story ends here with the character of father left in a dilemma. All right. Now, as I discussed earlier, the title of the story, Should Wizard Hit Mommy, is open-ended title. There could be two possible ends, whether mommy should hit wizard or wizard should hit mommy. Writer has chosen the title to be as Should Wizard Hit Mommy from Joe's point of view, and he wants to evoke a discussion on this. Already I have given you the hint on it. So when the question comes, you can write the answer either way, but with justification. Alright, this is where the story ends, and now attempt the assignment questions given to you, because these questions are very important for the preparation of board examination. So with this, the session of the class ends, and tomorrow we shall be taking up another important topic, which is an essential part of your board examination. So thank you very much. Take care of yourselves. Good day.